Hello learner, today we are going to start our AWS Academy Cloud Developing lab. So this is first lab we are going to start today. Our lab name is Exploring AWS CloudShell and IDE Environment. In this lab we are going to access our IDE environment. This is the overview of your lab. So being a developer you will be using HTTPS. I mean to say you will be using browser, that is 80 number or one HTTPS means 443 port number you will be using to access your AWS management console, and from there you will be using your VS Code. So this VS Code is already installed in your lab. So this VS Code is already installed. It's working on your EC2 instance, so you don't have to install it. We'll use this to access our S3 buckets today. So we'll be using two as a double options. One is using CloudShell, also will be accessing S3 buckets, and another options is we'll use SDK as well to access this S3 buckets. So let's see task 1. Task 1 is exploring AWS CloudShell. CloudShell is based browser based. So we'll be first using browser based and then we'll be using IDE kit. So our task 1 we have been asked to explore from here. Let's see AWS. So we'll access our CloudShell. So from CloudShell we are connected now. So let's move ahead then. See. So we can use AWS version to get versions of our AWS. So here we can use AWS version. This will give us version. So our AWS version is 2.32.17, and Python version is, we are using Python language here, so Python is 3.13. Linux is 6.1. So all the versions will be displayed here. So let's move ahead. So 7 number we have completed. Let's see 8 number. Test the ability to run an AWS CLI command. So we'll be listing S3 buckets. So let's see how many S3 buckets are there. So AWS S3 ls will list S3 buckets. AWS S3 ls. See, so already this sample buckets is there. We do have one bucket, so bucket is listed. Okay, now as 8 number is completed, let's see 9 number. From the action menu, choose tab layout and split. So we are here asked to split our SD environment, CloudShell environment. So from here action, we can split our environment into raw, into column. So we have both, so that we can use parallelly. See, we have splitted it into a column. We can split, sorry, raw. We can split it in a column. So we have both options. So we have both options. Let's see what lab has been instructed us. We'll do that first. So we have asked to split it in a column. So we'll split it in a column. Okay. So we have two columns. Now 10 number. Let's open the content. Right click the menu of and download the files to your computer. So here we have asked to okay, open the content, and so we are asked to download this content. We'll see. So we have, okay, so this is the content. From the x may upload the file and then choose select file. upload it. Mm, I'm going to save it on a desktop so that it will be easy for us to upload it now. So we have completed this one, downloading part from the action menu. So we will be uploading it. Let's upload the file. So upload file. Okay, so we have saved it desktop. So we'll see. So this is my file. I'm uploading it. It will take some time. So okay, it's successful then. Let's see. Okay, uploading is successful. We'll be close the file. Upload successful notification we have already done. We'll list. See, cat command is used to list that bucket, list that file details, not bucket. So we'll use cat command to list. So our file name was listbucket.py. So we'll use cat, what is our name, list, list, list hyphen buckets buckets dot py, right? Okay, dot py. See, this is same content which we explored earlier, and here also it's mentioned. So now we have completed till here. So here we'll now here in the terminal right side, so run the SDK for Python code. So we'll run this on right side, not the left side. So this will run here. Sorry, it was my mistake. Done. So this is our bucket complete name. Bucket is listed here. Now the name of the bucket is written. That's correct. We got the name of the bucket. Compare this output with AWS CLI command output in the terminal on the left. So terminal in the left and right. Here we have only provided this name, but here we got all the details. So this is the difference. You are now used to different programming way to list. So this also we have done. 11. Copy the file from CloudShell to S3 buckets. Okay, so now we'll copy a file from CloudShell to S3 buckets. Right now we have this file in our CloudShell only. It's not in S3 buckets. So we'll upload this to S3 buckets. For that, we have been provided this command. This command is AWS S3 CP means copy, and list bucket.py is our our file name, and this is the address of our bucket. So till here we'll use our bucket name and we'll execute it. So better I'll copy it and I'll use here, so it will be much faster. Okay, and then so I'll use bucket name. Bucket name is, this is my bucket name actually. I will copy and paste here. Okay, let's see, uploading is completed. So we have completed this as well. Okay, we got this message. See, you can compare it. So from here we have when you use AWS CloudShell, you have permission storage of 1 GB. While you are using this CloudShell, we have local storage of 1 GB. 1 GB file you can store locally. That is by default, that is provided from the this AWS. You can check from here. df -h this will show us the file storage, what is the percentage of remaining files. So here it's listed. Now upload from the cafe. So by this we have completed our task 1. We'll check task 2 to now. So in task 2 we'll connect using VS Code. Okay, so by using CloudShell we have completed our task. Now we will be using our VS Code. So let's see the instruction for the VS Code. So in details we have link. So here in details we have link for the VS Code. So we have URL here. We'll use this URL to access, and so we'll be using password as well. Password has been provided there. Sorry, password has been provided. We'll use this password. Okay, so now we are connected to VS Code. Will not save it. So this is the default environment of our VS Code. Okay, terminal is being connected. Okay, now we are connected. So let's see what is our instruction now. We need to check our instruction. Here we have instructions. Okay, so till here we have completed. Okay, we got this window as well. In 16, okay, so we'll see what is VS Code, all the details. So this is the window where we can write the code. For terminal we'll use this part of our window. This is the environment where all the file and folders will be listed here. So let's explore. Okay, we have been asked to list the S3 buckets. As for earlier, we will be listing our S3 buckets. We'll allow it. So let's see. Okay. Okay. So my mistake. Okay. So as earlier, as we saw in our SDK environment, right now we are again checking from the this VS Code. So from VS Code also it's accessible. So our bucket name is this. So let's see our next step. Yes, we got this. Okay, so we have been asked to download the, so we'll be downloading the file which we uploaded just before using CloudShell. So see, we have been instructed to download the file which we uploaded using CloudShell from the SDK environment. As earlier we changed the bucket name, so we'll be changing our bucket name. Command is same, AWS S3 is the bucket name. Copy, will be copying from where? This is the location of our buckets. So we are copying to local environment. So we'll be using this entire command. Let's say we'll just change our bucket name. We'll change our bucket name. This is our bucket. Okay, file is downloading. We can see file is already downloaded. Now we can check our file. Python list. So it's in list bucket. See, we got our file here. This is file, and see content is same. So by using this command, we have downloaded our file which is in our environment bucket, and we can view our file here. So let's see another. Okay, this command can successfully run. Instead of you can see error, no, we have not noticed any error. Python version 3 is already pre-installed in our VS Code, that we are already aware. Running backslash install the SDK. So this is optional. If you want to install it, you can install. Okay. So we have been instructed to create a new file. Here we are creating one HTML file. In file, new text file, we'll use from here, file, new text file. So we'll copy it, so it will be faster. So what is the name they have asked? Index.html. So we'll save it. Save as index.html. Index.html. Okay. So we have completed till here. Already done. Okay, this also done. Let's see our file is listed or not. It's listed there. Now run the following commands to upload S3 buckets. We will be uploading our file to S3 buckets. So just as earlier, we'll be using same command. We'll upload our index file here. We'll upload our index file. As you are aware, we need to change the bucket name. We need to provide the bucket name so that our file will be uploaded in a particular bucket. So I'll copy my bucket name. This is my bucket name. So upload completed. So my file is uploaded. Okay, so task is completed. My file is already uploaded there. If you want to check it, you can check using management console. For management console, what we can do is we can go here, we can see AWS. So if you wanna, sorry, not AWS, S3. If you want to check it, you can just check from here. S3 buckets. So we'll remove our SDK environment. It's not needed. Okay. So this is the first bucket we have, first file we have uploaded, and this is the second one. So we can access it. Sorry, we have not provided any bucket policy, that's why it's not being accessed. So you can check from here. So thank you guys. We have, by this we have completed our lab. Okay, let's submit and check the score we got. Submit lab. Submit. So after completing your lab, always submit it so that you will know exactly you have completed or not. They will provide us the grade as well. See how much grade we got. Okay, grade submission not has been finalized grade. Okay, finalized grade is not finalized yet. So we got 10 by 10. See, listing we copied, buckets, index file was already created, so we got 10 by 10. So by this we have completed our lab. Thank you guys. Thank you. We'll end our lab.